Two big show come up in that Jamaica. Which one you go? Sting or Kartel? December look festive. But I want them, I can't tell about them two big show here. Them are going to boost the economy. Because people are going to fly down from all over the world to come see Sting as usual. And them are bringing in the money. And you don't know. Kartel fans have not seen perform for over 13 years now, so they anticipate him. So fans are going to fly down from all over the world to come see Vybz Kartel perform. And they might bring a whole lot of money too. So that are going to boost the economy, so it's a good look for Jamaica. But one thing I beg you know, all you have to do just keep it real and keep it peaceful. And me ask you know which one of the show them you go. It's 4 things. Either you go a Sting or you go a Kartel show or you go the two of them or you not go a none of them. Which one you a go? Anyway, just keep it real and keep it peaceful. Me, Shocking Murray said that.